going? We have a contest to win.
Anybody?
Progress report. Savannah. Okay, kids, here we go. We're here, everybody. Let me just find a parking spot. Hey, check out that view.
The land is flat. The plains are vast. The air is hot. The earth is dry. Oh, Savannah, a land so wild and free. The beauty of the sunset is quite a sight to see. I'm out of here. See you soon. Hey, see ya.
Alright.
We're in Africa, on the savannah. This is one hot place. Phew. It's Frankie on the Frankie phone. He probably wants to tell you about the contest sheet. You get the scoop from Frankie. I'll start exploring.
Hi, kids. Let's look over the contest sheet and see what we have to do. Baboon.
We're termites, and we're very busy building our home. It's called a termite mound. Gotta get back.
Click on Good Call. You've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture. Termites.
Hi! I'm an impala, and I can jump really high as a basketball hoop. Impalas eat grass, like...
Nice, terrific. That's exactly where the picture belongs. Impala, you've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture. Camera.
Hey there, I'm a cheetah, a big cat, and the world's fastest mammal. I can run as fast as a car.
Nice, terrific. That's exactly where the picture belongs. Cheetah, you've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture.
Hey, I'm a rhinoceros, a big mammal that eats grass.
Click on the help button to learn how to play.
You're doing a good job.
Yum! Tasty. Yum! Tasty. Yum! Tasty. Yum! Tasty.
Time's up. Here are the points you earned.
Those bugs were delicious. Thanks.
And I feel great. No bugs on me. Our symbiotic relationship. Good for you and good for me.
Do you want to play again?
It was cool hanging with you.
This contest sheet is filling up fast. Yep. Click on terrific. That's exactly where the picture belongs. You've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture. Rhinoceros.
I'm a lion, a female. In lion groups, called prides, we females do all the work.
Baboon. I don't think that picture... Camera.
A beautiful hello! I'm a hippopotamus!
I'm a giraffe. We're the tallest animals on land. We're herbivores.
Oh, well, hello there. We're African elephants. The lot.
You'll earn 1 point for each baby elephant you find, and 5 bonus points.
Let's go, Junior. Come along, cutie. Trouble. The herd is safe because there are so many of us. I'm glad we found you. Remember, it's safer to stay with the herd. Help us get to the watering hole. We love to take baths. The herd is safe because there are so many of us. Oh my, we did it. The baby elephants are safe now. They're at the watering hole.
You found all the baby elephants. That means you earn 5 bonus points. Time's up. Here are the points you earned. Do you want to play again?
Thank you. Bye-bye.
We'll never forget you. We elephants never forget anyone. Thanks for the help. This contest sheet is filling up fast. Elephant, rhinoceros.
Hello, we're zebras, a group of zebras.
Click on the help button to learn how to play.
Back in the herd. Stay with the herd. Back in the herd. I smell trouble. That lioness is a carnivore, which means that she eats meat. Back in the herd. Stay with the herd. Back in the herd. Get back here. We made it to the river. We're safe now.
Here are the points you earned. You got the whole herd to the river. That's 5 bonus points for you. Do you want to play again?
It won't be long before this contest sheet is all filled in. Zebra.
A vulture. That's me. I'm a scavenger. That means I eat leftovers. As soon as a lion or cheetah is through eating, my pals and I fly in and eat whatever's left.
Wildebeest here. We're mammals. And herbivores too. Grass is just about all we eat. It's Jake. I am a lion. You can tell by my mane that I'm a male. Lions live in groups called prides.
Nice, good call. Lion, you've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture. Camera. Click terrific. That's exactly where the picture belongs. Baboon, you've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture.
Hello, we are baboons. Baboons are primates, just like other monkeys, chimpanzees, gorillas.
Click on the help button to learn how to play, or click anywhere to begin. Time's up. Here are the points you earned. You caught a lot of bugs. Great grooming. Do you want to play again?
You're an official member of our baboon troop, so stop by and visit us again. Goodbye.
You did it! The Savannah contest sheet is all filled in. Your reward? A page for your Animal Arts and Crafts book.
Animal Arts and Crafts cover.
It will be in the AOR.
Click on the back arrow to return to the AOR. Click on the print button to print it out.
You finished all 4 contest sheets. That means it's time for the Animal Smarts game.
Click on the help button to learn how to play, or click anywhere to begin.
Find the grizzly bear. That's right. Good call. Terrific. Correct. Perfect. Good call. Perfect. Good call. Perfect. Perfect. That was super. Here are the points you earned. You really showed your animal smarts. There's so much to learn about animals. Explore your habitat and keep building up your animal smarts. Ta-da! Announcing the winners of the Animal Habitat Contest. Molly, Polly, Wally, Tad, Chad, Ward, and you. Here's your winner's certificate. You're an official JumpStart Animal Habitat Explorer. Click on the print button to print out your certificate. Click on the done button when you're ready to continue. You've finished the Animal Habitat Contest. Great work. Let's start a new contest.
Click on the habitat you'd like to visit. Are you sure you want to exit? Credits.
Funny bone, y'all. Funny bone. Rising up from the pond scum. Supersonic tadpole come to get the job done. Amphibious from the get-go. Embryonic zygote starts with a single cell. Then I subdivide so I can thrive. Use camouflage so I can hide. And after 21 days, if I'm still alive, I grow a big tail like a whale so I can set sail. So I can set sail.
He's that supersonic, he's that embryonic tadpole.
Funny bone, y'all. Funny bone. Rising up from the pond scum. Supersonic tadpole come to get the job done. Amphibious from the get-go. Embryonic zygote starts with a single cell. Then I subdivide so I can thrive. Use camouflage so I can hide. And after 21 days, if I'm still alive, I grow a big tail like a whale so I can set sail. So I can set sail.
Are you sure you want to exit? Yes.
Oh, shut it. Oh, we'll be right back. Bye.